Question number 116. Assertion is promethium is a radioactive element. This is correct statement. Promethium is a radioactive element. There is a self-emission of the radiation. Now reason, promethium is an actinoid element. This is incorrect. Promethium is lanthanoid, not actinoid. That's why it is wrong. Assertion is correct, reason is wrong. Option becomes option 3. After that, question number 117. Assertion is CaF2, calcium fluoride, is added in small quantities in electrolytic reduction of alumina dissolved in fused cryolite. This is the correct statement. CaF2 is added to it. So I'll just mark here the correct tick mark. Further, reason. CaF2 lowers the temperature of the melt and make the fused mixture more conducting. Yes, this is also true. After addition of CaF2, the conductivity is increased and temperature is lowered. Reason is correct. Reason is explaining the assertion also. That's why I'll mark option 1 as the correct option. After that, question number 118. Assertion is the complex we have is paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic nature is due to the presence of unpaired electron. It means we need to check the electronic configuration of the central metal ion present here. But before that, we need to check its oxidation number also. And the reason is given in compound. Oxidation state of iron is +1. Let's first check the oxidation state. H2O5, the neutral ligand it is, NO and SO4. Now, let's assume the oxidation state of iron is X plus. For H2O it is 0 I'm taking, plus NO. For NO it is +1. After that, -2. It's equal to 0. So X will become +1. So Fe is here in +1 oxidation state. Now, what would be the configuration? We know that in case of Fe, the configuration is argon, 3d6, 4s2, but it is Fe in +1 oxidation state, so it becomes 3d7, 4s0, that we can write. And now, if it is 3d7, it means unpaired electrons are present there. And due to the presence of unpaired electron, it is paramagnetic in nature. Further, if I talk about the reason that states in compound this oxidation state of Fe is +1. This is also the correct statement. It is also the correct statement, and reason is correctly explaining the assertion also, because due to the change in oxidation state, the configuration is that and it makes it paramagnetic, and that's why the option that's correct for this question becomes option 1. After this, question number 119. Assertion is during discharging of lead storage battery, pH increases. What is the process that's taking place during discharging of lead storage battery? In case of its discharging, lead is there, PbO2 is there, combining with H2SO4. This is the net cell reaction that I'm writing here. There would be the formation of PbSO4. Along with that, H2O. It means during this process, H2SO4 is consumed. It means pH increases. This is the correct statement. After that, reason. During discharging, formation of PbO2 take place, which is basic oxide. Actually, PbO2 is consumed during this process, not its formation is there. That's why this reason is the incorrect statement, and answer that I can choose for this question is option 3, in which assertion is correct, reason is false. Let's take the last question of today's discussion, that is question number 120. Assertion says copper salt is negatively charged salt. This is the correct statement because the metal salts are generally negatively charged salt. And if I talk about hemoglobin, it is a well-known fact that it is a positively charged salt. But reason is not explaining the assertion. That's why I'll choose option 2 as the correct answer. I hope all the questions, those we discussed today, are clear to you. All the best for your results. Thank you so much.